Imagine starting with nothing, no savings, investments, or business. Now picture yourself climbing step by step, first hitting $10,000, then scaling to $100,000, and eventually breaking through to your first million. Sounds ambitious, right? But here's the truth. Wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by strategy, mindset, and consistency. Welcome back to Wealth in Billions. Today, I will guide you through the journey from zero to your first million, stage by stage. The first $10,000 is the hardest, but it's also the most exciting. At this stage, your main goal is momentum. Start by finding a simple problem you can solve, something people need and will gladly pay for. Maybe it's a skill, a side hustle, or digital content. Keep it focused. Then commit to creating value every single day. Think of it as planting seeds. Each small action, earning $10 here, $50 there, starts to compound. Once the money comes in, don't rush to spend it. Reinvest it into tools, education, and building a system that makes your growth sustainable. That's how you transform those early wins into your first $10,000. Once you've proven that you can make money, the next challenge is scale. You can't get to six figures by grinding harder. You get there by working smarter. This is where systems matter. Automate the parts of your process that drain your time. Streamline your content, organize your workflow, and create consistency. Then, start adding new revenue streams, affiliate income, premium offers, or small digital products. The key here is trust. People buy from those they believe in. So, keep showing up, keep providing value, and watch as your audience grows and your revenue multiplies. That's how you go from $10,000 to $100,000. Now comes the leap into true financial freedom. Going from six figures to seven isn't about hustle. It's about leverage. This is where you offer high-value solutions. Think big, exclusive coaching, advanced programs, or premium memberships. Partner with others, collaborate with bigger platforms, and expand your reach to larger audiences. Finally, don't be afraid to invest in growth. Ads, marketing, and PR can put your brand in front of thousands more people. At this level, every move has an exponential impact. That's how you go from hundreds of thousands to your first million. No matter the stage you're in, one principle remains true: consistency compounds. Wealth isn't built in a day, but with the right mindset and the right strategies, the results are inevitable. So, where are you right now? Just starting, scaling up, or pushing for your first million? Whatever stage you're in, the path forward is clear. And if you're ready to take your financial growth to the next level, I have a powerful ebook filled with wealth strategies that will help you in upgrading your financial perspective and enhancing your financial journey. Download it now using the link in the description and start building your path to real financial freedom.